Three mysterious deaths, a quarantine cruise ship drifting in the Atlantic, and a rare virus now making global headlines. Passengers aboard the MV Hondias were suddenly struck with severe fever, breathing problems, and shock like symptoms. Health officials like WHO's later identified the cause as hantavirus, a deadly rodent borne infection, largely, but it is rarely seen in outbreaks this large. So, what made this case even more alarming was that the suspected ND strain, one of the few types that may spread between humans. So, with hantavirus infection is a rare thing, but potentially deadly disease, mainly spread through contact with rodents. Hantavirus is a rare disease, and the spread may occur through infected rodent urine, saliva, or droppings. Early symptoms may look like flu, fever, body pain, fatigue, nausea, and headache. But in severe cases, it can rapidly affect the lungs, causing dangerous breathing problems. According to the WHO, hantavirus infections are relatively uncommon globally, but can become life threatening within days. Reported case fatality rates ranges from less than 1 to 15% in Asia and Europe and may reach up to 50% in the Americans, depending on the viral strain. Worldwide, an estimated 10,000 to over 1 lakh infections occur annually, with the highest burden seen in Asia and Europe. Sadly, currently there is no specific cure for or approved antiviral treatment for hantavirus. But WHO's and CDC's, they have given some guidelines which we will follow. So, they said that though treatments are not there, but we can follow supportive measurements that involves oxygen therapy, fluid management, blood pressure support, and intensive monitoring of the lungs, heart, and kidneys. So, although treatment or any particular antiviral is not available, still supportive treatment may help. And the most important part is prevention. Prevention is the best thing. The best way to prevent hantavirus is avoiding contact with rodents and contaminated dust. Experts advise sealing entry points, storing food safely, and using a protective cleaning methods in rodent infested areas. Also, please keep in mind this is very important. Never sweep or vacuum rodent droppings directly. This can release virus particles into the air. Instead, disinfect the area first and clean carefully using a gloves and a mask. So, though rare, hantavirus can turn deadly within days. The recent cruise ship outbreak is a reminder that even uncommon viruses can become global concerns when detection comes too late. So, please stay informed, stay alert, and never ignore sudden breathing symptoms after flu like illness. If you liked my video, then please subscribe to my channel and spread this video to your friends so even they can be aware about the recent outbreak of hantavirus. Stay safe.